Okay, changing out the fixture to a dimmer. This one's a triple plate. I'm just going to be changing just this one. Okay. Oh, that was weird. So it's losing its connection already. It's a good thing we're changing it. It's got a weak connection. So this one, the bottom one, is going to be your incoming hot. So yeah, it's weak there. Alright, so we'll leave the light on and we're going to go turn the breaker off. Breaker right here. Maybe right here. Okay, let's make sure the kitchen light's off, and it's not. So be careful for those things. These things will do a number on you if you're not careful. So what do we got? Living room. Maybe. Or maybe the smoke alarm one. But yeah, where's the living room one? Okay.
It's a good idea to follow up with a non-contact voltage detector to verify it powers out. Makes it a bit safer. Prove it out.
Little poker here. So the bottom one is our incoming hot. Top one is our power to the light. Or so it's line and load. Line has the power. Load is the load.
In this case, the light.
Now this, I won't need to take this off, but if you needed to, it just comes off like that.
Amazing how far it could fly so fast.
But that's how you can do the plate. Ground's not necessary. This is a plastic box. It just grounds the ground. But in theory, this would tell you line and load, but it doesn't matter. One's coming in, one's going out. And we do need some wire nuts though. So here's our hot line. I hope I have some wire nuts in my pocket. Yes, of course I do. Okay. So there's our hot, our line, and our load. Okay. And having the plate off makes it really easy to check. There we go. And I'm going to have to take the screws from the old deal.
The little plastic behind the screw is not necessary to the function of the screw. It's a captive screw that the screw in place make it a little easier to install.
Before I get too far,
so that it doesn't get lost.
I want to verify that it works properly. We won't be able to really dim the light fixture as it's got fluorescence in it.
Until I change those out with dimmable bulbs.
That we should be able to just kind of verify. So let's go ahead and do that. There's this one. I'm going to turn them all on, but I didn't. But it's lit up there. Put it all the way. There we go. And yeah, it'll go on the Fritz because it just doesn't like the fluorescent. Going to go ahead and locate some regular bulbs and change those out. Gonna check if this one, nope, that's the one. Check the fridge. I need like one incandescent bulb. Yeah. Fridge. Ooh, fridge bulb is out. What's going on there? Hey, hey, hey. Oh, well, power's out. No, power's back on. So we got these two other outlets off, and I'll bet you, yeah, kitchen and dishwasher. Kitchen. I want to verify that our dimmer actually works, and so that's why I'm going to switch this bulb. To an incandescent bulb that we can verify with. Crazy. We'll be changing all these bulbs anyway. Just so I can show you. We can verify our dimmer is doing what we want it to do. There we go. It's full power and then dim. Yeah. So it works good with incandescent bulbs. Does not work with fluorescent bulbs and does not work with all LEDs. So be aware of that if you're putting in a dimmer. It's a nice feature, but that's that. All right.
We just need to put in dimmable bulbs.
Anyway, now it's just tighten the screws down. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off so it doesn't heat up my deal here. Don't know why anyone would want a dimmer in the kitchen, but that's okay. That was the instructions I got, so that's what I'm doing. Most people want a dimmer in the dining room. Kind of makes more sense to me. Okay. There we go. So what we've got is the plate goes right in the center here.
Sorry, I missed the shot there. It's off camera. It just it has a portion that slides under the screws.
Got to kind of loosen this to slide the plate behind.
Just loosen the two screws and then slide the plate behind it. It has one spot that lets the screw head poke through and it slides into a smaller portion. It's kind of self-explanatory, but I would have liked to have gotten it on camera.
There we go.
Unfortunately, I didn't.
Kind of hold it in place a little bit better, like that. Okay. And now our triple switch plate. Yeah. Come on. Get these started. Uh-oh. Keep an eye on where stuff drops to if it does. Come on, buddy. Okay. And I've showed you guys this trick about straightening up the deals before, but I think I'll be showing it again here. but it's a good one. Which is this. So if you got a crooked outlet, crooked switch, just take the flat portion of your screwdriver, push it over like that. These we can just straighten out like so. Nice, fast, easy deal. So this just goes on a certain way. There we go. Dimmer. Yay. Now it's got a dimmer switch. So I'll be changing the bulbs. Putting in the dimmer switch.